Guys, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit just about how to add a picture if you are wanting to. So I was looking for one final picture for my presentation that I've got here on Emma Gonzalez. And so I wanted something else that represents the work that she's involved in and the impact that she and her friends have had. So I'm going to go up here to insert, and then the easiest way to do it is just to search the web. And I want something relating to voting because that's something that she and her friends have worked hard on, is to get people to vote, especially young people. I think she mentioned somewhere in one of the articles that I was reading that there's 62 million eligible young people who can vote who are between the ages of 18 and 29 in our country. And so that's pretty impressive, right? So they are trying to get the vote out and make sure that all of those people have their voices heard. So I'm going to choose that one, and then I'm just going to recenter it a little bit, and boom. All right, so that is how you add an image very easily.